Go.
Hello and welcome to 2009 Crack Reaping. Loser has to ask someone else.
I like that.
Are you ready?
Let's go. I'm going to lose. 3. Choke. Oh my god.
Get those shawls going, girls.
You have this minnow in it. God, Dad.
Oh my god.
Stop it out. Don't shut up and chew. Oh my god. I don't know your shirt. Right. No. My prompting. No, fucking double mum. Stop.
Slow and steady wins the race.
Charlotte. Yes, this is so unattractive right now. I'm gonna fucking put on someone's weight. Speaking of someone like
Charlotte's killing it.
I think Steve's going to end up on. Oh no, Ira!
Charlotte is very thoughtful.
Look at her face! This one tastes different to the last one. You have to keep going. Stop, Ellie! That's disgusting. That's all up in your cheek. Not dirty. Stop filming me! I think it's up for me. This is not real, Charlotte. My mouth is so cool.
It's her face when she does it.
It's into the future.
Oh my god.
Sweet apples! Oh yeah, fuck up.
Come on, Charlotte.
Charlotte and Phoebe!
Oh, Phoebe's gonna win.
Alright, they're both empty, they're both.
That was massive breakfast.
Look at Phoebe's gonna win! Phoebe's gonna win! Got it now.
Bennett.
Second place. Fuck me. Oh. Oh no. You little fuckers.
I think we did.
I think it should be Jack. Who's the boy? Jack. I'm glad I'm not doing it.
Oh my
Oh!
Yeah.
Second! Charlotte, no! I'm fucking boyfriend!
I'm so glad that's one. Oh, jeez, on my lips.
Do you want to close it? Do you want to close it?
Oh,
That is all today, and tune in next time for
Look! I don't want any more.
Crack Racing.